What excites you about Innovation Day 2025?
It's a great place to meet our customers and discover the latest enhancements and technologies that push the boundaries of design.
Knowing about latest features and advancements in design and manufacturing.
The thing which most excites me is that the huge gathering itself, close to 400 plus people.
So getting to know from customers through their customer success stories on how simulations would have solutions help their product development journey.
Yeah, Innovation Day means first thing it comes to my mind is it's one of the great gathering in the engineering community where we can all the other industry vertical people can interact each other and learn each other, and also the technological roadmap of SOLIDWORKS and how it benefits the engineering industry.
What excites me about Innovation Day 2025 is the opportunity to network with fellow SOLIDWORKS users who are passionate about doing their job with SOLIDWORKS. So the ability to network with them and make sure that they are abreast to the latest features of SOLIDWORKS is something that makes me excited for this coming Innovation Day.
I am very excited to see that AI tool, that is artificial intelligence, which is available in SOLIDWORKS 2026. So let us see how that AI tools help us to improve our work efficiency in CAD and also the automate the repetitive task and also enhance the user experience.
I am super excited to share about the latest technology and innovation which helps the engineers to resolve their issues which is currently happening in design as well as in manufacturing.